Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's a new video which is like organizing with me and a desk store and making a DIY mesh board. So basically this is a period when like my plus 2 haven't started and I'm done with my plus 1 exams. So this was shooted at that time, so don't worry, I didn't actually waste my time because I was free at that time. So hope you guys like this video. This is not a study related video, something which will give you motivation. So if you're thinking of that video, so you can leave this is on a more like organizing stuff and like decorating the stuff or something between those lines. So I hope you guys enjoy this. So before starting with the actual thing, I want to explain you that what we are going to do. So the first step is to change the setting of the room. So before starting that, I like to give you a quick room tour. This is the entrance to my room. This is the study table, bed, and this is my bookshelf. And I also have a little shelf up there, and I will use something of it, and right there I am going to keep my study table. So I hope you guys understood it, and if you didn't, you will see when it is done. So let's start doing that. So the first step is to remove this chart, this and these things, like to clean everything from here.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog.
I'm on the grind early in the morning. 5 to 5, then I go away. There's nothing like living this dream of mine. I wanna say my name in the light shine so bright that the stars don't have to come out in the nighttime. I'ma make it happen, buy my girl a gas, so we gon' get it crackin'. When you see me grinding, yeah, I'm grinding for you. When they see me shining, know it's all 'cause of you. When I win the Grammy, they gon' know I stay true. And when they ask me how I did it, I'll tell them.
So right here I'm just organizing the drawers of the desk because पिछली डेस्कटॉप वीडियो में तुम लोगों ने मुझे इतना बोला है ना कि भाई इतनी स्टेशनरी कौन रखता है. So I'm just minimizing it to only what I actually need on day-to-day basis.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog.
I'm on the
So I just got my 12th books and some stationery. So right here I'm just organizing all of that stuff.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog.
I'm on the grind early in the morning. 5 to 5, then I go away. There's nothing.
So now let's move on to the most interesting part, which is making a DIY mesh board. For making it, I got this metal grid and its dimensions are 2 by 4 feet, which is large enough for my study table. I really wanted to make it now and I'm really excited to make it, but thanks to my brother who didn't got paint with this. I don't know when he will buy paint and when I will paint it and it's finally done. But yeah, this is what I'm going to do. So finally I got the spray paint. I wanted it to be in white color, but my brother got it in black, but I think black will also look good. So here's my brother painting it, and I think black actually looks good rather than white. So that's how it looks like after spray painting, and it's look as what I have expected it to be. So finally I got it on the study table and it looks good, like black looks good than white.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan.
So I have ordered few things from Amazon and I think it may be helpful for you. So that's why I'm inserting this clip in this video.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan.
So the first thing that I got is this tripod. I have a Gorilla Pod, but that's not working for me because that's not giving me more angles. So that's why I got this. And next I got this bullet journal. As I said that I will buy one in my stationery tour.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to.
So that's how the bullet journal actually looks like.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan.
So the one thing that I've noticed about this, that this is very light, like this is not meant for the outdoor shoots. Like अगर आपको simple vlogging करनी है then it's okay, but it is not at all meant for the outdoor shoots. मैं इसको ऐसा भी करती हूँ ना, ये तब भी हिल जाता है, तो it is very light weight. However, I really like this bullet journal. थोड़ा सा जितना मैंने सोचा था उससे थोड़ा सा छोटा है, but it's really good. It still worked for me, and look at the color. It's such a pretty lavender color. I really like this. So why I recommend buying this over this? First thing is this is strong. This is very strong, but this is very lightweight. तो आउटडोर्स के लिए तो आप इसको नहीं यूज़ कर सकते, बट लाइक इफ़ यू लाइक डूइंग व्लॉगिंग लाइक मी लाइक अ स्टडी व्लॉग, सो फॉर दैट दिस इज़ सूटेबल बिकॉज आप इसको डेस्क के ऊपर रख के भी कर सकते हो एंड आप उसको नीचे करके एक अलग एंगल से भी कर सकते हो, विच इज़ नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल विद दिस. So if you want to like start a study channel like me or like do anything related to this, I recommend this rather than this, and this is cheaper than this. So obviously I recommend this because it can give you more angles as compared to this one. So now let's start with the desk tour and the upper corner of the desk. So firstly I have this study lamp right here, but I do not actually need this because I have this tube light fixed right here. Then I have this pot just for the decoration purpose. Then this pen holder in which I just kept the essential pens like some highlighters and all the basic pens. Then there is that clock and this water bottle. Here's the bullet journal. I just received this from Amazon and you have already seen in the video. So here is it. And then this is a watch which I use to like track my study time. And there is this weekly planner, and I keep my whiteboard right here, and this is our mesh board. It looks so good. I just like the stick this calendar, nothing else, because I do not actually like started studying for +2. When I started, then I will like stick all the examples, formulas and all the stuff which I need to be memorized. So that's all about this upper corner. So now let's move on to these drawers. यार अभी मुझे मत कहना कि इतनी स्टेशनरी क्यों रखी है, बिकॉज इससे कम मैं नहीं कर सकती. सो राइट हियर आर सम चॉक्स, सम लाइक पिन अप बोर्ड के पेन्स जिसकी अभी मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है. देन सम पेपर क्लिप्स, सम पेन्स and all the essential stuff like the tape, scissor, Fevicol, stapler and this ink, whiteboard marker ink. And here these are the specs. Actually I do not have specs, but I only like wear the blue cut lens because I have a migraine issue. They are like sort of helpful for that. Then there's duster, some sketch pens, scale, puncher and it's some random stuff. Then if I move on to the next drawer, so right here is the stationery which I like just received. So here are some brush pens, color pens, whiteboard marker ink. Then this is like the cover for the tripod. This is the tape, some pens, headphones and all that other stuff. So right here is the most random stuff like the mic cover and some papers in this, and my father's diary and medicines and all that random stuff. So in this is also the random stuff which I need but I do not use on the day-to-day basis, like some extra stationery, some charts and all that extra stuff which I do not actually use a day-to-day basis. And then there is a bin which is necessary. So now let's move on to the bookshelf. So firstly, in the upper shelf I have all like the +2 books, and in the lower shelf I have the +1 books. So right here are the all the plus 2 standard books. Then there are some notebooks. Here are like some notes and some cardboard with white papers. So basically my +2 didn't actually started yet, it will start soon, but I'm me being the most excited bought all of this stuff earlier. Then in the lower corner I have, basically these are the books which I do not use on the day-to-day basis. I have but I do not actually use. So these some of books are like the books that I have, books that I got on like for reviewing, and some of the books which I got but I do not actually end up using them. So right here are the all my notes notebook for +1, and there are some +1 NCRTs and DC Pandey. So that's all about the desk tour. I hope you guys like this. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. So I want to clarify one thing, because I know that I will get comment about this thing in this video, that you are wasting your money, you are wasting your time. First of all, I'm not wasting my time. I have a few free days, so I have done all this in that days, and ये सब एक दिन में नहीं हुआ, ये थोड़ा थोड़ा करके मैंने किया है. I haven't devoted my all day to this. And the second thing is कि you are wasting money. Do not got anything from my parents' money. I got everything on my own. So please, do not spread negativity or something like that. It's just for fun, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm sorry if I've said anything wrong, but I know I will get these comments, because I have also got these type of comments in my previous desk tour video, and I usually get these comments. So I hope you guys like this, and sorry if I said something wrong, and I will meet you guys in a new study vlog.